Hello and welcome back. I wanted to revisit something that we talked about yesterday with the closed captions, and I wanted to add a piece to that. So after you get your closed captions from YouTube, you can actually take those and edit those down and create a transcript of your actual video as well that you can then provide to your students, as well as having the ability to edit the closed captions in a way that might be easier than using the native editor that's baked into YouTube into those automatic captions. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. As you can see, I'm back in my YouTube account. I'm going to click on the actual video that I did yesterday with closed captions. So I'm going to click on the edit button. I'm going to take me over. It's going to take me to my video. I'm going to click on the subtitles and closed captions. And then you can see here I have my closed captions right here that were published via the automatic speech-to-text engine that YouTube has. So if I click on these published captions, it's going to take me to this edit screen. So here you can see that I have all the information that I need. It has a timeline here that's broken up into a certain amount of seconds with the words that are spoken in each section. And then again, you can see over here as well, there's a timeline. Now, I can't obviously edit it here, but I can if I click the edit button. And then that allows me, like I said yesterday, to go in and actually come in here and edit each of the different captions, right, for each of the different sections. However, let's say I want to do it in mass. I can click on this Actions button right here, and I can click Download. And then what this is going to do is this going to download the captions for me in a specific format. But let's say I need it in a different format. How do I do that? Okay, well, I'm going to click on this discard edits. And what that's going to do is it is going to allow me to just go back to the automatic transcription of the automatic closed captions, that were created earlier. When I click on it, it's going to take me back right to where I was. On the Actions button now, I can download them now as different versions of closed caption formatting. So voice to text, right, SRT and SBV files. So if I click on this SRT file, okay, now what I can do is I can take this file and I can transcribe this file using a website called rev.com. This was something that we found yesterday. Dr. Ackerman and I, we were having a conversation and we were looking around for a simple or easy way to transcribe the voice-to-text captions, and we came across this site. Really, really spectacular. So as you can see, it wants an SRT file. So I can go ahead and say I'm going to select this SRT file. I can actually grab it right here and drop and drag it. Really, really slick. Come over here and I can drop and drag this. I can then click Upload. It's going to upload that specific file. Now I have the option here of actually going and getting a specific transcript. So the two that we're going to look at, again, which there's others, but the two that we're going to look at is this transcript, so this text file, or this Avid DS subtitle file. Now the difference between the two is that the Avid file actually will give the time code and then the text that's in there. So if you look back at YouTube, right? So it's going to look something similar to this. It's going to have this time code at the top. Underneath it, it's going to have these words, and it's going to do line by line that direction. However, if we click on this transcript text, right, I put in my email address, and I click the convert. What it's going to do now is it's already done. So at that moment, I can come over here. I can click on my system updates. I can click on this guy right here. And right here is my converted files. So I'll download those. Sorry, I just downloaded like a whole bunch of them. Great. So here is my actual caption file that I just created. And so now what you can see is right here is my entire caption file in a text document. So I can go through all the words that were said in that entire video are all here in one big giant paragraph. I can go through, I can edit, right? I can do all kinds of things now that I want to do this direction, and it's really, really awesome. So once I have any edits or different things now that I have done that I wanted to have done, I can save this caption file, okay? I can go back to YouTube. I can go back to my closed captions. I can now come over here and add new closed captions. I'm going to select English. I'm going to say right here, we're going to upload a file. So here is the part where I have my transcript file. So I can go ahead and choose a file that I want to upload. So I believe it was this one for today. It is. Okay, I'll click open, right? So it's has my file. I'm going to upload that. And now my video transcript for my YouTube video is now completely there. So now it not only has closed captions that I can have edited, or I can edit myself, or however I want to do that. I can also have now a video transcript of the entire video that goes along with my video. Now if I want to set this timings, so now what this is going to do is it's actually going to take the transcript of the video, it's going to use that speech-to-text engine that it had before, and it's going to take the transcript and merge those two together and find out where those words actually are and where they meet, and it's going to put all of those things together. So now, instead of me having the automatic 80% pass that I have, I can actually come back with 100% accuracy, or very, very close to 100% accuracy within my videos. So really, really slick way of doing this. Not only is it awesome for YouTube, but it's great for your classes in Canvas. So now you have the ability to have content that you have closed captions for, you have a transcript for, and everything is as close to accurate, 100% accuracy as possible. This is really, really slick. It's really, really user-friendly. It's very, very easy to use. And again, you're using YouTube to do the 80%. You're taking it back. You're looking at it. You're making your edits. You're doing those things for that last 20% or so. And then you're going to put it back into YouTube, and you're going to sync it back up, and you're going to have it back where it is, where it needs to be at that 80%. So again, as you can see here, right? So my times, if you looked at my first set, my times are different now, right? You'll notice that my lengths of the time in which it looks at everything is a little different. Welcome to my short video on subtitles and closed captions in YouTube. Again, really, really slick. Great way to do this. And then when I'm done, I can check it and do all those things. I just hit publish, and now those edits with those closed captions are going to be what sticks. Tremendous move forward for what it is that we're doing, and especially building off of my video that I had yesterday. Please let me know if you have any questions about this. This is a great step forward to really working on our compliance piece for ADA, especially with our students with accommodations and or disabilities that require us to have videos that are either captioned or have transcripts for screen readers, right? This is spectacular, a spectacular step forward. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch. Have a wonderful afternoon and day.